Hello all, welcome to our today's class. This is our new class, right? Our first class. Okay, in this class we are going to discuss about our third chapter, Old Man Kangaroo. Okay, have you all taken your textbook? Take a pencil with you. Okay, before moving into a chapter, let me ask you one question. We are humans, like how we will move from one place to another? How we will move? Yes, we walk with our legs, like right? Okay. In the first page of the chapter, right, page number 16, at the beginning we have given an activity to match the columns according to how animals move, right? Okay, let's look that. It's very easy. Look at it. The first one is bird. How bird will move? Look at the option. There is fly, right? Birds will fly. So match first one with a C. Bird, fly. Next one, kangaroo. What will kangaroo do? Yes, hope. Match that second one with D. Kangaroo, hope. Then the third one is fish. Fish will what? Yes, fish will swim. Fish will swim. And the snake, what will snake do? Snake don't have legs, right? So it will crawl on the ground. Okay, that is 4 with the A. Have you matched? Have you finished? Okay, now you have got an idea that kangaroo will hope. That is the moving technique of kangaroo. Okay, before many years, our kangaroo is not like what we have seen now. Okay, so let's look at the history of kangaroo, how he became like this. Okay, have you seen kangaroo? Kangaroo's picture is shown here. Okay, our kangaroo was not like this. He is changed because of an incident. That incident is discussed in this chapter. Now let's move to our chapter. Please take page number 16 and have you seen the kangaroo's picture is given there. It is our present day kangaroo and he was not like this. Okay, let's look upon the chapter. Read with me. Take a pencil with you and read with me. Have you ever seen a kangaroo? Have you ever seen a kangaroo? He is an animal that looks funny. He is like no other animal in the world. Right? Yes. He have 2 big legs and 2 little hands and a big tail. Right then, and he have a bag in his stomach to carry his child. Its child, right? Okay. He is like no other animal in the world. He can run and hop very, very fast and lives in Australia. Kangaroos are seen in Australia. Do you know how the kangaroo learned to hop so fast and why he looks so funny? Do you know the history behind that? Okay, read this story. So, in order to know how kangaroo changed like this, we have to read the story. In the story, we have the answer. Okay, let's read the story. Long ago, long ago, the kangaroo did not like the one shown here. The kangaroo was not like the present kangaroo. He was, his appearance is explained there. Look at that. He was a small, woolly animal. He was a small, woolly animal. What is the meaning of woolly? It is given there in your textbook. Read that. Made of, looking like wool. That is full of hairs. Okay. Have you seen woolly sheep? So, our kangaroo was like that. A woolly animal. So, he was very small also. Okay. Let's continue. He had 4 short legs and looked more like a rabbit. He was short. He has 4 short legs and he was woolly. Hence, he was most probably looked like what? Rabbit. He was very proud of himself. Proud means what? Feeling of being better than others. Proud. I feel proud of myself, right? So here our kangaroo feels proud of himself. Okay? Oh yes, he was very proud indeed. Take the next page. The kangaroo danced in the desert in the middle Australia. This I already said that kangaroos are found in Australia. So here our kangaroo is dancing in the desert in the middle of Australia. He wanted to look different from all the other animals. He had a wish in his mind that he wanted to look different from all other animals. He wanted to be different from others. Okay. He wanted to be the most popular animal. He wanted to be the most popular, famous among all the animals. So he went to the little god Ingwar. How it is pronounced? Ingwar. The spelling is Nqa, but it is pronounced like Ingwar. Say it, Ingwar. Okay. So he went to little god Ingwar to say his wish. What was his wish? He want to look different from all the animals. He want to be famous among all the animals. Then he went to the little god Ingwar. He went to the little god Ingwar and said, "Make me different from all other animals." And he said to the little god Ingwar, "Make me different from all other animals." Up jumped the little god Ingwar and shouted, "Go away." What did our Ingwar god said? He jumped from her seat and shouted that, "Go away. I don't want to see you. Go away." The kangaroo went away dancing in the desert in the middle of Australia. Then he returned from that. He danced in the middle of the desert in middle of Australia, and he was very proud of himself. Those lines are repeated. He was very proud of himself. He was very proud indeed. He went to the middle god Inkwing. Inkwing. Pronounce it like that. Inkwing. And he was very proud indeed. Then he went to the god, middle god. Middle god. First he went to the little god Ingwar. Second he is going to the middle god Inkwing. Inkwing. Okay. He went to the middle god Inkwing and said, "Make me different from all other animals." The same wish is said here also. Make me different from all other animals. Make me very popular among those animals. Here also what happened? Up jumped the middle god Inkwing and shouted, "Go away." The Inkwing god also jumped from her seat and shouted, "Go away." The kangaroo went away dancing in the desert in the middle of Australia. He was very proud of himself. He went to the great god Ingwang. 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 Pronounce it like that. Ingwang. So, next he went to the great god Ingwang. First he went to the little god Ingwar. Second he went to the middle god Inkwing. And now he is going to the great god Ingwang. Okay, Ingwang. Then he went to the great god Ingwang and said, "Make me different from all other animals. Make me very popular and most sought after animal." So here also he is saying the same wish to make popular among all the other animals and make me different from other animals. And here also what happened? Let's look. Up jumped the great god Ingwang and shouted, "Yes, I will." Ingwang called Dingo, a yellow dog, always hungry and always dusty. Okay, now here what happened? Our Ingwang god agreed with his wish and he said, "Yes, I will make you different from all the animals and I will make you popular among all the animals." And then what did he do? The great god Ingwang called a name. What is the name? Yes, Dingo. What is the name? Dingo. Dingo was a yellow dog. What is the color of the dog? Yellow. And how he was? He was always means all the time. Always he was hungry and always dusty. Dusty means what? Covered with dust. The dingo, the dog was always hungry. He is always hungry. He always need food and he was dusty. He is covered with dust. Then what happened? Ingwang showed Dingo the kangaroo and shouted. Our great god Ingwang showed kangaroo to Dingo and shouted to Dingo. Dingo, wake up Dingo. Do you see that kangaroo? He wants to be popular and sought after. Make him so. Then the great god Ingwang asking Dingo to make the kangaroo most popular and different. Let's take the next page and let's read what happened. Let's continue the story. Up jumped Dingo. Then what did our Dingo do? Dingo do? Up jumped Dingo, a yellow dog always hungry and always dusty, and began to run after kangaroo. Off went the kangaroo on his four short legs like a rabbit. And already said that our kangaroo was once like a rabbit and he began to run with his four short legs. Then read that with me. He ran through the desert, he ran through the mountains, he ran through the swamps, he ran until his front legs ached. So, what is the meaning of swamp? Swamp means, read it there, a wet, low area of land covered by water to where plants grow. So, he ran through desert, he ran through mountains, he ran through the swamps. Swamps means the ground that is covered by water, that is wet, not fully covered, that is wet. Then he ran until his front legs. He has four legs and he ran until his front legs ached. Ached means pain. When it is begun to pain, it is known as ached. It is pronounced like ached, like headache, stomach ache. That is pain. Okay. He had to run because Dingo is following him, right? So because of that he is running too fast and his front legs began to ache or began to pain. Still ran Dingo, but Dingo was not tired. He was running behind the kangaroo, always hungry and always dusty. Still ran the kangaroo, and so thus our kangaroo also ran. Old man kangaroo, he ran through the trees and through where? He ran through the trees, he ran through the long grass, he ran through the short grass, he ran until his hind legs ached. Hind legs means back legs. Okay, hind legs means back legs. So now he ran through the trees, the long grass, the short grass, and his hind legs began to ache. His back legs began to ache. But he had to run because Dingo is following him. They ran until they came to the Wollongong River, and they have reached the river. What is the name of the river? Wollongong. Pronounce. Read it. Wollongong. Wollongong River. There was no bridge on the river. There was no bridge on the river. To cross the river, there was no bridge. There was no ferry. Ferry means what? A boat that will make regular trips. There was no ferry. There was no bridge to cross the river. The kangaroo did not know how to cross the river, and the kangaroo was confused how to cross the river because the Dingo was following him. He will catch him and he will eat. He know that, our kangaroo know that Dingo will eat him. So what did he do? So he stood on his legs. He stood on his back legs. That is hind legs. Hind, hind legs. Hind legs means back legs. So he stood on his legs and began to hop. And he began to hop. He hopped and hopped and hopped. Just like a kangaroo does nowadays. Nowadays our kangaroos are hopping, right? Like jumping. Okay. So this is how they are began to hop. Because our kangaroo, old man kangaroo, wants to cross the river, but there was no bridge, no ferry at all, but Dingo was following him, so he hopped on his hind legs. Okay, he tucked up his front legs. Tucked up means what? Push or hold or turn something so as to hide or secure it. He tucked up his front legs. He tucked up. He hold the front legs to secure it. Okay, he tucked up his front legs. He hopped with his hind legs. He take the front legs tucked or hold, and he hopped in the back legs. Okay. His hind legs became longer and stronger, and because of this hopping, his hind legs, that is his back legs, became stronger and longer than the front, because the front legs are holded like this to secure it. Okay, so his hind legs, that is his back legs, became more stronger and longer than the front one. His tail became longer, broader and stronger. Then what happened to his tail? It has become more longer. First it was like a rabbit, but now it has become longer. The length is increased and broader. The breadth is increased and stronger. It also have strength. He no longer looked like a rabbit. Now he is not like a rabbit, and he is now a kangaroo. Nowadays, poor dog Dingo, always hungry and always dusty, he was tired of running. But our poor Dingo, he was tired of running because he is always hungry and always dusty. He was tired of running. He could not catch the kangaroo. In the next page, we can read that he could not catch the kangaroo. He could not catch the kangaroo. Down sat Singo. What did he do? He sat down. He sat down and panted. Panted means to take breath very fast. Okay, panted with his tongue hanging out. He put his tongue out. He could not catch kangaroo. He could not catch kangaroo. He was very tired. He was panting and his tongue is outside. The great god Inkwang had kept his promise. After happening all these things, we can see that the great god Inkwang, who promised a kangaroo to make him a different animal, he has kept his promise. Like, right, our kangaroo is changed from rabbit to the kangaroo present day, right? His hind legs become more stronger, and his tail become broader, longer and stronger, and his front legs become shorter. Okay. The kangaroo was now different from all other animals. Now our kangaroo is different from all other animals. No animals are look like it. Look at the picture in your book. In your book, here it is shown. And that is why the kangaroo hops so fast. This is the reason for the fast hopping of kangaroo. And that is why he looks different from all the other animals. This is the reason for his variety look from all the animals. So he is very popular. Now he is very popular among all the animals. And this is the story behind kangaroo's change. He changed from a rabbit to the kangaroo presently. Okay, have you understood the chapter? Okay, students, let's conclude. At the beginning of the story, we can see that our kangaroo, he was like a rabbit. He was very proud of himself, but he want to change his look. Okay, he need a different look. So he went dancing in the desert. He went to the little god Inkwang, right? Inkwang. So he went to Inkwang and asked for this wish, but Inkwang was not ready to give. He shouted and told him, go away. Then he danced in the desert and went to the middle god. Who is that? Sorry, the first little god was Inkwang. Sorry, the second middle god was Inkwang. Then he asked Inkwang that make me different. But Inkwang also said, go away. Then he went to the great god. Who was that? Inkwang. Then Ingwang promised him he will make him different, and he called out Dingo. Dingo followed our kangaroo. Kangaroo ran, and his hind legs changed, his front legs changed, his tail's appearance changed, and hence we can see a kangaroo in the present day. So I think you have understood the chapter. Okay, see you in the next class.